Hey there, YouTube. I just figured I'd post this nice, kind of gonna be short video. I decided to get bored today and I was cleaning the headlights, but then I decided to use NEWFINISH car polish, once your car polish, and check this headlight out. And then checked out the one I haven't done. The camera's not even doing this justice. Like, I mean, that thing's horrible. And this side looks like I just basically replaced it today. And then I did my Buick, which you couldn't even see the back of the lenses on the Buick at all. They were pretty much done for. I actually was sourcing parts for it, and I gave up after I did that. Clean though, wow. I mean, you couldn't see the bulb and the casing. All right, anyways, there you go, guys. You guys want to see another video of the rendezvous? There it is.